All right, rolling with Corey right here. We're gonna go tear it up and find a place in Mexico to go pop some wheelies and do some tricks. Let's get it. Come on. I'm on a bad angle though.
That guy's just fucking looking at us like that.
Who's that? Yeah. Hey look, a graveyard. People are dying to get in there. That's such a bad joke.
You just like cut right in front of you.
Yeah. Oh, the truck there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I honked. Why didn't you honk at him?
Not worth the effort of moving my thumb.
Worth it, because you gotta make him feel like a dickhead.
No, I want to. I want to press a button. I'm not done downtown yet. Now what am I gonna do?
You're done. You're stranded.
What am I gonna do?
I'm a good man. I'm a good person.
There's a cop up there.
Hello, police officer. You just cut that solid white line in front of a cop. Right there. Huh? There's a cop, like, right behind us somewhere. Oh, no, he's right there. He pulled in.
Oh.
It's like jail time. Puppy! It's a puppy. Look at a puppy.
She's kind of cute. Hey, that girl's kind of cute back there.
In what? In a red car?
Yeah. Dude, you're making it so up.
Hold up. I was gonna try and wave at her, but she wasn't looking at me. What was? Hey.
My GoPro's dead.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Yeah, it's you're just still
I'm still going.
Dead. Oh. My memory card might be full.
Oh.
That's what it is.
Not mine.
Yeah, you have 8 hours on yours.
Oh yeah.
That's insane.
Come on, Joe. Oh. Fuck it, that's distracted driving.
You need to learn to
You're 4 times more likely to cause an accident when you're on your phone. Don't you fucking do it! That's what I thought. Hello! This boy's on his phone!